The second question is, who are you? I mean, what do you call yourself in terms of faith?
I am a Muslim.
MashaAllah. The third question is, what is the direction to which Muslim turns at prayer called?
The direction to which the Muslim turn to do prayer is called Qibla.
MashaAllah. The fourth one is, what is Islam's kalima?
Islam's kalima is La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah.
MashaAllah. The next one, how do Muslims worship their Allah?
The Muslim worship Allah.
How do Muslims worship their Allah?
The Muslim worship Allah by praying namaz and
Very good, keep on.
obeying to Quran.
Okay, the next question is, what is the name of your religion or Muslim's religion?
Islam.
Very good. The seventh question is, in how many years was the Holy Quran revealed?
23 years.
Very good. The next question is, how was the Holy Quran revealed to the Prophet Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, all in once or gradually? हजरत मोहम्मद मुस्तफा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम पर कुरान पाक किस तरह नाज़िल हुआ, बतदरीज नाज़िल हुआ या एक बार में नाज़िल हुआ? How was the Holy Quran revealed to the Prophet Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, all in once or gradually? All in once or gradually?
Once and in one.
Okay, the last question is, before a salah, Muslims wash their face, hands and legs and do masah of head. What is this action called?
This action is called wudu.
Jazakallah khairan. Now you can.
Assalamu alaikum.